Hi everybody, welcome back to Spain, sunny Spain, April the 23rd, and it's 29 degrees here today at 10 to 5, so big happy days for that one. So yeah, I thought I'd give you a look around this campsite we found. It's called La Fresnada, and it's probably, well no, I think it is the cleanest and well-run site I've been on anywhere in any country, certainly including ours. It is absolutely clinically clean. It's fantastic. I mean, it's run by a Dutch couple. There's a lot of Dutch here, but they're all very friendly. No issues with that. Yeah, they've been here for 21 years. It's a fantastic setup. So what I'll do, I'll give you a good spin round, and because if you're ever in this area, then you know, please check it out, because you won't be disappointed. So walking through the washing up area, there's a washing machine for the ladies, or the gentlemen, to be politically correct. Wash basins, washing up area, and they are really eco-friendly. The site is completely eco-friendly. So all the recycling is all segregated. You are really encouraged to use that. And talking of which, your toilet waste needs to be non-chemical. So if you watch all my previous videos on the washing tab, then you can use that washing liquid or vinegar apparently. So, but anything other than chemicals. So it really is an eco-friendly setup. So as you can see how it's laid out, yeah, organic waste, yeah, other bits and pieces, some other unmentionables there, but that's how it's laid out. It is a beautiful site. That's not our Chasson 640, and strangely enough, that's one of the other ones we've ever seen of the same model as ours. It's a Dutch couple got that one. So any Chasson owners out there, then yeah, there's two exactly the same on this site. So there we go. And yes, we've even got an electric car charging point. So yeah, 100% eco. Fantastic place, La Fresnada. So when you're here, when you're in this part of Spain, check it out. Great cycling, great walking, beautiful campsite. See you next time, guys.